Namaste. In this video, we are going to find dy upon dx if given this equation y cube minus x cube is equal to 3x square y plus 3x y square. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. So here d upon dx y cube minus x cube is equal to d upon dx 3x square y plus 3x y square, and here we can use subtraction this, so this law, adding or subtracting d upon dx y cube minus d upon dx x cube. Okay, and this is d upon dx 3 we can write this side, and here x square y plus we can differentiate this term, so 3 right outside 3 d upon dx x y square. When we differentiate y cube, so here 3 y to the power 3 minus 1, that is 2, and dy upon dx using chain rule. And here when we differentiate x cube, we get 3x square. Okay, here we can use product rule, so 3x square, right as it is, differentiate y, so this is dy upon dx, and now y right as it is, differentiate x square, so it will be 2x plus 3 right as it is, differentiate this using product rule, so this is x right as it is, differentiate y square, so it will be 2y dy upon dx plus y square right as it is, differentiate x, so dx upon dx we get 1. Okay, so this is 3y square dy upon dx, and here 3x square. Now this is 3x square dy upon dx, and here 3 multiply, so 3 times 2 6 xy. Okay, here this one 3 times 2 6 xy dy upon dx, and when we multiply 3 here, so this is 3y square. All dy upon dx terms shift left side, and this term minus 3x square shift right side. Okay, so this is 3y square dy upon dx. This is dy upon dx, we can transfer left side, so this is minus 3x square dy upon dx. Okay, and this one also transfer left side, so minus 6xy dy upon dx, and here left 6xy, and this is 3y square, and this one minus 3x square transfer right side, so it will be positive 3x square. Now we can take common from here, so we can take common 3 dy upon dx. Okay, so here left y square, here left x square, and from here we already taken out 3 dy upon dx, so minus 3 times 2 6, so minus 2 xy. Here we can take common 3, just 3, So 3 times 2 xy plus y square plus x square. Okay, so 3 dy upon dx, this is y square. We can write like this, minus 2xy minus x square. Okay, here minus, that's why it is not perfect square. Okay, we write as it is 3. Here y square plus x square plus 2xy, so can we write x plus y whole square? Okay, use algebraic identity and we can easily find out dy upon dx, and 3 and this 3 cancel, so x plus y square, and this is y square minus 2xy minus x square. So this is the answer. Final answer. Very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.